Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
This video shows how to update page numbers in Word 2016, 2019, and 365. Save your document and create a backup copy before you begin. Prepare by saving your document and noting any section breaks or different headers. Open the View menu and switch to Print Layout to see page numbers accurately. Understand that Word can auto-update page numbers or require manual updates for fields. I will walk you through header and footer updates, section restart options, and updating the table of contents. Double-click the header or footer to open the page number area for editing. Click Insert then Page Number to choose top or bottom placement. Use Insert Page Number to choose position and select Format Page Numbers for options. In Format Page Numbers, choose Numbering Style and set Start at to Restart Numbering. Choose Start at to Restart Numbering and enter a number like 1 or 100. Close the header to return to the document and check each section for correct numbering. Press Ctrl plus a then F9 to update all fields including page numbers and the TOC. If your table of contents still shows old numbers, select it and choose Update Field, then update entire table. If numbers still show wrong, uncheck Link to previous and reinsert numbers in each section. For persistent issues, delete the page number field and re-add it using Insert Page Number. Save your document and print preview to confirm page numbering appears correctly before distributing the file.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.